Hello my dear beautiful subscribers, welcome to Magua Gallery. So in this video I will tell you Lakshmi Puja procedure. So Lakshmi Puja, Diwali is the most auspicious day to worship goddess Lakshmi. Lakshmi Puja during Diwali brings every type of wealth to the performer of the puja. Lakshmi blesses the performer with wealth, health, property and prosperity. First, woke up in early morning before sunrise, do head bath, clean house and puja room. The first and the foremost thing in Diwali Lakshmi Puja procedure is the neatness. Purana stated that Lakshmi resides there where neatness and cleanness exist. So, first of everything, make your home or the puja place neat. Draw some rangoli designs or the patterns to welcome Goddess Lakshmi Mata. So, first step, take a piece of cloth, red or yellow or green, anyone in color, and spread it at the puja place. On the cloth, spread 9 mounds of rice and keep supes on the top of the rice mounds. The 9 supes indicate the 9 planets, means Navadanyas. Second step, you can keep a supari in the place of Ganesh or can place a Ganesh ideal. A pot has to be filled with water and adorned with betel leaves. Keep a coconut on the top of the water filled pot, that is Kalasha. Now dresses the pot with red cloth and tie a red thread around the pot. On the pot, draw 4 lines with kumkum. The 4 lines indicate the Chaturvedas. A satvik is drawn on the pot. Swastik is the representation of prosperity and purity. Now the pot with all these decorations is referred as Kalasha or Purana Kumbha, which represents the universal power. In Diwali Puja, Thali place some silver or golden or simply rupee coins. The coin is a direct form of wealth, that is Goddess Lakshmi. Now the actual puja begins. Take some udak or water on your left hand and sprinkle onto the yourself after purifying your hands. Place a flower on your palm and take some akshata into your hand. Chant the Gayatri mantra for 3 times. You can skip this step as it is an optional one. Now start Ganesh Puja. If you don't know Ganesh Puja procedure, then simply install or visualize Ganesh in your heart. Then chant a sloka of Ganesh and offer some flowers and akshata to Ganesh ideal or the supari representing Lord Ganesh. In the same way, pray to Lord Shiva. If you don't know the simple Shiva Puja procedure, then you can chant a sloka of Lord Shiva. Sprinkle some pure water and Kalasha or Purana Kumbha. Apply some Kunkuma and shower Akshata. Offer a sweet and fruit to the Kalasha. Treat the Kalasha or Purana Kumbha as a guest and worship the sacred pot with utmost devotion. Kalasha is considered as powerful as the goddess. Kalasha Udak or the water of the Purana Kumbha is as holy as all the sacred rivers. Follow the same puja procedure with the Navadanyas or the 9 planets or the 9 supari placed at the 9 locations on the puja cloth. The same puja procedure is followed with the 4 directions. Sprinkle water towards 4 directions: north, south, east, west. This puja procedure of 4 direction represents 4 dishas of the universe. Then perform the bath to silver and gold coins with milk, with water, with gulal and with flowers, and then offer sweet recipe to the coins. It is believed that jingling coins would let Goddess Lakshmi Devi to install in your puja place. Install or keep Goddess Lakshmi Ma in your heart and chant a mantra or sloka or stotra of Goddess Mahalakshmi and pray to her heartfully. If you know the stotras of Lakshmi, Astotram or Lakshmi Sahasranamavali or Sri Suktam or recite the stotras. Now it is the time to perform Arati to Goddess Mahalakshmi. Light the diya and come pour for Arati. Ring the bell while singing Lakshmi Ji Ki Harati. After performing Arati to Lakshmi Mata, keep Lakshmi Puja Tali at a safe place. Complete the whole puja to Lakshmi with devotion and dedication. Keep your worries aside about any mistake you did unknowingly during the puja procedure. Recite Kshema Prarthana Stotram if possible. After performing Archana, offer Tambulam to Lakshmi Devi. In Tambulam are flowers, fruits, betel leaves 2, supari 2, ilachi 2 and coin 1. Just offer it. Okay friends, if you new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and please support me and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.